Well, here it comes. There are few names in the automotive world all time that command as much respect than Carroll Shelby. And this 1965 427 Cobra is his very own car. And it is on the Mecum auction block here in Kissimmee 2021.
One of only 5 427 Cobras finished in charcoal gray. During Carroll Shelby's ownership, it went through a lot of evolutions, including a color change, even was an automatic transmission one time, but the good folks at Legendary Motorcar Company have recently restored this car back to 1965 specifications and condition. It has been described as one of the most beautiful 427 Cobras ever, and it certainly is one of the most valuable in the world.
Look at the people that are aiming their cameras and cell phones at this car, trying to get a picture with this incredibly significant automobile. $2 million is the current bid.
Exquisite restoration, those 2 4-barrel carburetors on that FE-based 427. It's a 4-speed manual transmission. Sunburst knockoff wheels, and bidders are all over it.
Bill, talk about significance. We are all lovers of these Cobras. You are the resident Cobra expert, having owned a continuation car. What does this mean for you personally to see this car on the block?
I joined the Shelby Club in 1985. I've owned a Cobra replica, a CSX Shelby build 427 Cobra. I look at this car and I just say this is where the whole Cobra experience began for me. And it's special.
Wow. Look at that.
4 million.
Oh my goodness.
History once again being made at Mecum Kissimmee. We are well over $4 million on Carroll Shelby's personal 427 Roadster, owned from 1965 till his passing in 2012.
And this car has gone through some changes, a couple of different owners since Shelby passed away. It's been painted different colors, and engine has been changed. This is the way the car was first owned by Carroll Shelby in March of 1966.
Have we seen the last bid? Incredible.
Once again, Scott, Mecum Auctions has reset the bar on some of the most historically significant cars ever. And those folks, those new owners, could not be happier. That is what it's all about.
$5.4 million.